Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about PDF editing with Adobe Acrobat. And in this video, I will show you how to draw different shapes and format it in Adobe Acrobat PDF. So for that, what we want to do here is to open up our PDF. Then we want to come to the toolbar right here. So what we want to do is to go ahead and select on freehand tool right here. So once you select freehand tool, under freehand tool, you have different shapes right here. And you can also draw arrow, different things as the case may be. Let's say, for instance, I want to draw rectangle, select rectangle. So I can decide to put in my rectangle right here. So once you draw the shape, you have it right here. So you can adjust the shape. Then for you to format the shape, what you need to do here, you can remove the outline color. Let's just put it white, and that is for fill color right here. You can change the fill color right here as the case may be. Then you have it right here. Then for the outline color right here, click on here. Then you can remove the outline color. If you don't want. For better still, you can come down below right here. Turn down the opacity of the outline color. So the more you turn it down, the more it's going to affect as far as this particular tool is concerned. You can also change it to white. So once you change it to white, you can see it effect on the shape right here. So next thing we want to do here, let's take a look at how you can draw another shape. So go ahead and click on your shape tool right here. So click and hold down, and then you can draw arrow as the case may be. So select on arrow, then you can draw as long as possible arrow right here. So that is for full color. We can change the timing, we can increase the thickness of the arrow right here. So the more you drag, the more the thickness is going to right here. So the maximum size here is 12 feet. Then we can change the color right here. We can choose different color as it will be for the arrow, just like so. And then we can go back to shape right here and take a look at another shape. We have a circle right here. So we can draw another circle right here. To draw a perfect circle, just press Shift key down on your keyboard, then it gives you perfect circle right here. Once you draw your circle, then you can click on then you can click on your move tool right here. I'm going to select this and delete this one right here and select my move tool again. So here we can work on the color. So we can change the color to inner fill color to another color of our choice. Then we can come to the color format right here. So this is color fill and this is border right here. We can decide to remove the border. So just turn down the opacity of the border. The more you turn down the opacity, so if eventually affect the color fill, what you want to do right here is to easily right click on the shape and we'll bring out property right here. So here we go, we have the property right here. So the opacity can be controlled right here for the appearance. So you can see it has been drastically adjusted right here. Then the thickness right here, we can increase the thickness of the shape right here of the stroke. We can easily click on stroke style. We can choose different style right here. So you can see. So you can also choose no border right here, and then you can adjust on the opacity. You can adjust the color fill as the case may be. Then once you are satisfied with everything, go ahead and hit on OK. Then we have a shape right here. We can drag to increase the shape. But for us to drag in a perfect way, press Shift key down and then go ahead and drag. And it's going to give you a perfect shape right here. You can go on and use it. So we can come back right here and right click. Then we make sure we go ahead and click on property of this particular shape right here. Then here we go. We can work on this particular one right here. So we can change the style to another right here. We can increase the thickness right here. So we can click on here and choose different style. Let's come back to this shape. We can change the color to another color right here. So everything depends on what exactly we want to achieve. Turn down the thickness right here as the case may be. We can click on open, or we can decide to make it rounded right here. Everything depends on what we want to do. Once we are satisfied with the format, we go ahead and then we click on OK, and then we have a kind of shape right here. So if you are not satisfied with that, go ahead and click on delete. You can go on and draw different kind of shapes and format it in Adobe Acrobat. For more useful tutorial like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.